Hey guys, Nishi here. Okay, how to make a video that promotes your product or service without appearing braggy or salesy, right? So how to make a video without appearing braggy or salesy. That is a huge fear because how many times have you watched a video on YouTube and there's some influencer or some entrepreneur and they're talking about themselves and you just end up hating their guts by the end of the video. Like you don't want to buy from them, you don't trust them, you don't even like them anymore, right? They're total narcissist. Okay, so you don't want that to be you. How to get around this? Okay, when you see these annoying videos, usually they go something like this. Hi, I'm so-and-so, I achieved this amazing goal, and you could too if only you'd send me all your money. The end, right? The reason why that video failed was, number one, the focus was on the person making the video. And number two, they didn't actually prove that they can help you in any way. They're just like, send me money and I will. But they haven't built rapport with you or proven that they can be of assistance in your life. And in fact, they've probably just made you feel worse about not achieving a goal that they've achieved, and you don't really have a solution in your hands. So how to get around this? What you do is, number one, like I kind of already suggested, focus on the audience. And number two, help them. Don't sell them anything, just prove that you can help them. Give them some worthwhile tip that proves that you're a valuable person and that if they want more from you, they can come to you and you're full of great advice. So when you're helping someone with a video, you're instantly building rapport and making a connection. And don't worry about helping everyone. You're not going to help everyone. Just let go of that thought right away because that's a daunting thought. It is impossible to help everybody. Just focus on the people that you can help, not the people who don't want your help, not the people who don't need your help, not the people who are better at you at something that they'll never go to you for help. There's going to be those people. Just accept it. It's fine. There are people out there who need you right now as you are. So focus on them. Help them. And you don't have to talk about your achievements in a way that's braggy. Just, it'll be obvious in the way that you can help people. So that's it for today. I hope that helped. See what I did? And if you did, please subscribe. And until next time, take care. Bye.